Hey, this is Amy, and in this video what I want to show you is how to use internet resources to do research about a film. So of course you're going to need to know what film you're looking for. So let's say I'm looking for Citizen Kane, and I'm going to go to IMDb, the Internet Movie Database. Um, so you can just click on the title, and it's going to give you information about the film itself. Just all different details, the cast and crew, the storyline, trivia, how well it did at the box office, just things like that. Of course, it has user reviews, which is nice, but scrolling up back to the top of the screen, so there's lots of stuff that you might want to use on this page, but I'd like to direct your attention to this reviews section right here above the yellow bar where it says critic reviews. So these are going to be professional movie critics. Roger Ebert, he's a famous one. The San Francisco Examiner, that's the newspaper. So we have a bunch of different websites, magazines, newspapers, things like that, people's blogs and stuff. Of course, some of these are going to be in foreign languages, and it does note that for you. I mean, you could always read them and use an internet translating tool to see what they're saying. But just scrolling through, yeah, we have a lot of different options, so that's pretty cool. And then let's see here. Okay, so it says Rotten Tomatoes, and that's a site that I personally have not used too much, but you can see on here, it's going to advertise some stuff to us, but let's ignore that and just look at the tomato meter. That's how well it's rated, so everyone loves it, nobody hates it. With Rotten Tomatoes, what they do is they have, if it's fresh, is favorable reviews and comments, and then rotten would mean that nobody likes it. So maybe we'll find a different, like I was searching for Blair Witch Project before, and there were some rotten reviews of that particular movie, even though it's pretty highly rated. 87 is kind of high. Scrolling down here, if you wanted to just look at negative reviews, you can click on Rotten, and it's going to give you little blurbs, and you can go click to read more. It tells you a little bit about the different people and stuff. So, so that's something. And then Metacritic is another website. And again, this is one that I haven't used just because I usually find everything that I need from IMDb. But Citizen Kane, okay, universal acclaim based on 18 critics. 100% must see. So lots of information. We got user reviews. Again, we have critic reviews. So if you try searching all of these sites and you still can't find anything, or you're not finding what you think you are trying to get or anything like that, please let me know. Just get in touch because I'm happy to help. And we'll go up here. So just in the Metacritic search box, I'm not going to actually search for it, but I am just going to type my email address. So like I said at the beginning of the at the beginning of this tutorial, my name's Amy, and just email me if you have questions or run into any issues.